Hello guys, so in the previous video I showed you guys that my funded account was in $700 profit and I had to make $1,000 more in order to in order to get my first withdrawal. But today I end up blowing it. So the last trading week was pretty good. I made very good profits here, as you guys can see. On the first day $600 and this was a normal losing day, and on Wednesday no trades. On Thursday I took a break even, and on Friday there was CPI, so I took a nice win. So till Friday it was going all good. My account was up $1,300 and I needed only one more winning day in order to request my first payout, which would be of around $750 if I would have reached there. So I just needed one more profitable day of $400 and then I could have received my first payout of around $750. But coming this week, my mindset was all about getting a payout, so I was in very hurry. I was chasing trades. If trades were not forming, I was forcing the setups. So on Monday I traded well, there was bank holiday, so I was tape reading and I didn't got any A plus setup, although there were some good setups, but I didn't take. I hesitated because I just needed one trade, so I was waiting for that A plus setup. And when I missed that trade, then I was very sad that I could have taken that trade and I could have requested my payout. So coming to the Tuesday, I was like, today I will take a winning trade and I will just request a payout. But it so but in Tuesday I didn't waited. I didn't had patience. So I just started trading in the London session, and let me show you my trading view. And I just started spamming some trades. So the first trade that I took on Tuesday was a decent trade. I will not say that it was a very good A plus trade, but it was a decent trade and it lost. So I should have stopped there, but I kept on trading until my account was close to my daily loss limit around $600. So I end up losing around $600 on Tuesday because I was trading London session, and this was the trades that I took on London session. This was the trade. So it just stopped me by how many points? Let me see. So it just stopped me by 3 points and then just dumped in my direction. So my bias direction was right, but the timing was not right. It was a kind of premature trade. I should have waited more for the liquidity sweep that I usually wait. But coming this week, I was not in my best mindset because I was just trading for the payouts, not for the process. I should have taken only good trades. I should have not traded the London session. I should have waited for the New York session and should have taken the trades. But I was thinking that I will take a winning trade, and I will just request my payout. So on Tuesday I end up losing around $600, as you guys can see. And on Wednesday was a decent day, so I took a trade. Let me show you. I think I journaled. No, I didn't journal there. So this was the trade on Wednesday. It was a pretty good trade. I would not say it was a bad trade, but it was a normal losing day. It was nothing special. It was just a normal losing day. Wait a minute, guys. Yes. So on Wednesday, this was my trade. This 5 minute. This was my trade on Wednesday. The price was in the Conco. The price was in the 1 hour fair value gap. There was a 5 minute SMT. There was 5 minute inverse fair value gap, and I entered on this 5 minute IFVG. My SL was here. So I got stopped out here also by only few points, and then price just dumped into my favor. So my bias direction is right. There is some problem with my SL placement right here. But it was a good trade. I would not say it was a bad trade. It was a decent trade. And today also, crazy thing happened. I traded before. हेलो आ रहे हैं. So today also I didn't waited, and I started trading before the New York session. It was around how much time? It was 8:40. Yes, it was 8:40 and I started trading here. Although the price action was really good here. So let me show you my trade here. So this was a 5-minute displacement that I saw. There was a 5-minute FVG. Then I moved into my lower time frame 1 minute and I entered on this 5-minute IFVG. So this was a pretty decent trade, but the timing also here was wrong. So my break even was here, but it didn't touch here, and then dumped as usual. So by losing this trade, I lost my account. So my account is now breached, and let me show you, where was it? Yes, so my account is now breached. So now I have two options. I need to buy a new eval, so I'm thinking to buy a eval of Lucid, because Blue Guardian Futures 50k account is $50 and Lucid 50k account is $70. But although it is cheap, but I didn't like the rules here, because here for requesting my first payout on Lucid I need to make $3,500 on the funded account, which is too much, and I don't want to make too much for requesting my first payout. I want my small first payout because I haven't received any payout in the futures prop firm. So yes, I blew the funded account and last week was, guys, too good. It was too good. I followed all my rules here, but this week was not the best. And the reason I crashed out this week was only because I was chasing payout. I was not focusing on taking good trades. So yeah, that's all. I will let you guys know when I will buy my next account. Probably I will start from Monday. So yeah, see you.